In September, when Jaguar Land Rover, yes, Tata Motors foreign luxury subsidiary, it suffered a massive ransomware attack. Now we don't know whether they really paid through their nose to pay off these ransom seekers, but it has happened in the past. We know of the American Canadian railroad companies which paid out a fortune to exit from this ransom demand. So it could have happened, but nobody admits it. टाटा मोटर्स ने हालांकि सितंबर और अक्टूबर में मैसिव कार सेल्स किए इंडिया में. इवन लास्ट मंथ इन अक्टूबर द सेल्स वर ब्रिलियंट. टाटा मोटर्स नाउ द नंबर 2 car seller in the Indian auto market just after Maruti, but its results got hit by this luxury subsidiary Jaguar Land Rover's ransomware attack, and it was extremely shameful for a group which has TCS, which has installed SAP and other ERPs and done SAP implementation in hundreds of Fortune 500 companies, for its own sister concern to suffer this kind of breach, which caused an estimated 2.8 billion in losses, and it rippled through JLR's manufacturing, suppliers, dealers, all went down. Ultimately, JLR had to restart a limited production. Production collapse हुआ. Only the highest performing, highest profitable models like the Defender were produced so that at least revenue थोड़ा ठीक ठाक रहे. Shareholders like you and me lost. As you know, Tata Motors has one of the largest shareholder bases among companies in India. Lakhs and lakhs of shareholders. All of us lost. At the one time we lost to digital scamsters. Now we also lose to corporate scamsters who take down with ransomware. The ripple effects on the UK economy were tremendous. 39,000 workers in the UK were affected. Itna nervous digital system is now, it's not just a nervous system. We are all nervous of what the government is doing to catch these ransom seekers, because टैक्सेस तो हम पूरा दे रहे हैं, हमारे सारे लाइव्स डिजिटलाइज हो गए हैं. वी आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द स्कैमस्टर्स, आवर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द स्कैमस्टर्स, एंड हु इज हॉलिंग अप द गवर्नमेंट फॉर इट्स फेलियर्स to control this, to protect us and to protect our money.